Hi Vampers, welcome back to the first week in Tasmania. Before I went to the Watermill cottages, I went to Port Sorell, and I recommend you go there. It's got a lovely little town as well, but for the sake of this video we don't have time to put everything in. So yeah, this is the little beach.
Hey guys, have to share this place with you. I know you've seen a little snippet of this location in a previous video, but yeah, welcome to Tasmania. This is my second night that I stayed when I arrived in Tasmania, and I intend to be here for a week. What a joy. Seriously, $10 a night, and this is what it gets you. It's all for self-contained vehicles. There's no dump points. There is the freshest, loveliest tasting water available here. It comes straight from the mountain spring. So yeah, you have water, and that's about it. You don't have power or anything like that. So but my goodness, it is just so relaxing.
It's not normal for me to let Emmie out of her out of the van. Out of her cage, she's always out of her cage, but she's rarely out of the van. But there was such big open fields here, and I thought I could really keep an eye on her and make sure that she was safe. So I let her out into the grass, and man, look at her. She is having so much fun. She's so photogenic, the cow. This is sort of just indicative of what there is a lot of in Tasmania, and there are these little hikes. Some of them big, some of them small. They're all graded. You know, you can find websites that tells you how hard it is or what sort of inclines or whatever. So it's all that information is available if you choose to find it. This is Notley Gorge, Notley Fern Gorge, sorry. And oh, honestly, you just fall in love with nature when you take a walk like this. It was just so refreshing. I'm going to leave you with the photos so you can enjoy it, because it was just stunning. Really, really, really worth doing. Free too, which is awesome.
When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in. So the days became weeks, it felt just like the night before. You were slowly fading in my mind. When you left, I was so completely gone, but now I'm sure you were some of the best of things to find.
Cataract Gorge is a must, an absolute must, and take a whole day because there's so many different activities there. I was only there for the last 2 hours of the day, and I did the chairlift and the Cataract Gorge walk, and but yeah, you can see that there's a swimming pool there, there's cafes, there's all sorts of goodies, and again, just enjoy the photos because it is just a special little place. Coming up next on Vamped Van Chronicles, I honestly can't tell you. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to be doing. So, yeah, stay tuned. You never know where I'll take you.